Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Dolly the Doughgirl from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to start at the top with our bow, and we're going to start by drawing in a sideways oval. On the top on each side, we're going to arch this line out. Moving underneath now, again, we're going to curve this out, just making that line slightly smaller. And then now connecting this together, we're just going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Now on the top, we're going to curve a small line that comes out. And then we'll do the same thing as we move underneath. Now let's close off our head. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. Moving back over on the right-hand side, now we're going to curve this line all the way around, and then we're going to blend that back in together on the bottom. Moving up for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right in the center. And then on both sides, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. Now for the tongue, in the center, we're going to arch this line down and then moving over on the left, curving that across. Now let's move up for our eyes. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line over. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the left, replicating that. Now on the inside line, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then back in on the side. Now for the upper lip, in the center, we're going to curve this line up and then out. And then on the right-hand side, again, we're just going to replicate that as we move over. Let's move down now for the pearl necklace. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. On either side now, we're going to draw in another circle, connecting that from top to bottom. And then again, we're going to replicate that one more time as we move over towards the outside. Now as we move over on the inside, we're going to curve this line up towards the bottom of the chin for the neck. And now let's move down and draw on the body. So leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line around and then in on both sides, lining that up with the same height. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Underneath for the legs, we're going to arch this line out on both sides. Now from here on the bottom, curving this line out. And now from that point, we're going to curve this line back up towards the side of the torso. Now let's focus on our left arm first. So coming underneath on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. For the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then in. For our first finger, curving this line out, back down. In the middle, curving this around, back in. And then again, as we come down for the pinky. Now from here in the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards the side. Now let's draw on our right arm. So on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line down, out, and then over. And then we're going to bring this line up and then back down. Moving underneath, stepping further in, we're going to curve this line up, arching that line back in. And then again for the thumb, arching this line out and then in towards the side of the torso. Now for the pattern on the inside of the body, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back up. For our thumb, we're going to arch this line down. And then we're going to curve this line out, starting at that point, replicating that. And then again, doing that one more time as we come down. And then now from here, we're going to arch this line up, down, and then over towards the side. Let's move over on the right now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, out, and then in. And then we're going to do the same thing from each point, just drawing in a curved line, doing that 3 more times in total. And then now from that point, we're going to curve this line out, around, and then in towards the side of the body. And now on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a wavy pattern. So we're going to draw in a wavy line as we come all the way over and up on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Dolly the Doughgirl from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.